Well, hello there. I just thought I'd do a quick rundown of a bag that we're going to send to the Philippines to our house there. So when we go on trips there, stay, a couple weeks, couple months, maybe, I can have something to go out and play with in the environment, in the jungle, in the forest there by our property. So let's go take a look. So before we send this bag out in the Baklabayan or something like that, it's pronounced box, over to our property there up in the hills, decided, go ahead and take a look at it here. Gonna be using this out and about, so I figured go ahead and have just kind of a basic kit out there, just for fun, maybe for a little bit of camping and maybe a little bit of survival if we need it. Our place isn't going to be way deep in the jungle or super remote, but might as well have some fun. So this bag itself, I do not remember where I acquired it. I may have got this online or at an army surplus. I really don't remember. So far it's held up well. I've had it for a few trips. Just a few day hikes I've had it. I've used it on some business trips as well. A few just short travels. It's held up well. As you can see, it's got the molly on it. It's got straps on the bottom for bedrolls, which is nice. It's got side compression straps here, which is awesome. And it also has this compression strap up here. On the back, as you can see, it's got the chest strap. It's got some padded mesh shoulder straps with even some load lifters, which is super nice. Grab handle, and it has a removable waist belt as well, and this slightly padded back. You can also open that up, I believe, for some more padding, perhaps. Also a hydration port up there as well. Plenty of compartments, side molly. So one compartment, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and open up, see what I got in here. Went ahead and put these carabiners on there. And there's little beaner clips. No real point, just kind of wanted to have them. In this first compartment, now also mind you, I packed it this way just for ease of shipment. I've got Snug Pack jungle hammock, rated up to 400 pounds. Life straw. And the Limbs boulder boots. And that was just in this compartment right here. This other compartment is where all the good stuff is. Now, when I'm going to be out and about, obviously I'll be wearing the boots. The knife will be on me, so it's not going to be crammed in here as much as it is. I've got a stainless steel canteen that also has a cup in there with handles, and in this little pouch here, a little magnesium bar. Actually, this may be aluminum, but I think it's stainless steel. I've got from Magellan a little polyester sleeping bag liner, just to have the comfort in the evening to wrap yourself in when trying to sleep. I did grab 2 ferro rods with little compasses in them. I mean, they're not going to be the most accurate, but give you a general direction just for fire. I've got a little bit of Kevlar line. Don't know how much is left on there. I have a little ammo pouch to use on the belt as a little belt pouch. I have a cotton bandana. I have another bandana with a bunch of survival tips on it, which is awesome. So navigation, shelters, fire, so that's really cool. I've got this CRKT eating tool. I'm not quite sure why, but I felt like I needed this for some reason. Something's just telling me to bring that. Just one of those things. I've got the Snug Pack all-weather tarp, 3 meters by 3 meters. That'll go well with the hammock. I also brought 9 Snug Pack stakes. I have a toenail clipper, or fingernail clipper actually. I have a Bic lighter that I put some twisty ties around so you can't accidentally compress and let all the fluid out. I've got a little Victorinox knife sharpener. I've got just a HBO Go hat, just for a hat, something cheap. I've got a whole bunch of red and green paracord. Honestly, I never measured this out. This is just a few hanks I had cut off left. Some used gloves that I've had from Harbor Freight. I mean, I like these, they work well for me, so that's what I had. A small Snug Pack dry bag. I can use this to collect water and haul it if I need to. And now also I have the Tops Fieldcraft Brothers of Bushcraft knife in their stainless, the 154 cm. Love this knife, so figured it's stainless and me leaving it in the Philippines while I come back here for months, kind of minimal maintenance. And on top of that, I also have the Varustalika Skrama in their stainless as well, with an AZ Wilkie sheath. So that can help minimize the maintenance as well. I put the orange paracord on both of these. So in case I do misplace the sheaths or the knife, it could be easier to locate. Also could make me easier to locate as well if I was trying to hide, but hopefully it won't come to that. The whole kit in itself weighs exactly 16.1 ounces without water in the canteen. So again, just a brief overview of a kit I decided to bring to our place in the Philippines for fun, and hopefully I'll have an update video for you sometime in the future showing me actually using that out there.